Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer internet service for rentals using Spectrum plans. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your internet service with Spectrum, visit the Spectrum website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Create Account option and follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Accounts section. Select Transfer Service from the available options. Enter your new rental address in the provided field. Ensure that the new address is correct to avoid any delays. Review the available Spectrum plans suitable for your new location. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to confirm your plan selection. Specify a transfer date that works for you. Spectrum typically allows you to schedule the transfer several days in advance. After confirming the date, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Click on Submit to finalize your transfer request. You will receive a confirmation email with all the details. If you need to return equipment, check if it needs to be done before the transfer date. Make sure to disconnect your old service at the previous address. If you have any questions, reach out to Spectrum customer support for assistance. Once your transfer date arrives, your service should be active at your new rental. Set up your modem and router as instructed in the setup guide. Test your internet connection to ensure everything is working smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.